In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a OneNote folder name. Many people refer to a OneNote folder as a notebook. However, you cannot rename a notebook directly within the OneNote app. This limitation is important to understand because it means you will have to make changes where the notebook is stored, usually on OneDrive or SharePoint. This process may seem a bit indirect, but I will guide you through every step. By the end of this video, you will feel confident in renaming your OneNote notebook successfully. First, go to OneNote on the web and sign in. This step ensures that you have access to your notebooks as OneNote's functionality is tied to your Microsoft account. You should see all your notebooks listed once you log in. This screen is usually very user-friendly, and you will easily find the notebook you wish to rename. Make sure you are signed into the correct account if you have multiple Microsoft accounts. Next, open the notebook you want to rename. This action will take you to the main page of that specific notebook. Here, you will see all your notes and sections. It is essential to ensure that you have the correct notebook open because renaming the wrong one could lead to confusion later on. Look for the notebook title at the top of the page. It will help you confirm you're in the right place. Now, click the notebook name at the top of the page to display its storage location. This is a crucial step as it reveals where your notebook is stored, either in OneDrive or SharePoint. Understanding the storage location is important because this is where the actual renaming will take place. Once you click the notebook name, a drop-down will appear showing the path. This visual cue helps you navigate to the next step seamlessly. From there, click the location link to open the notebook in OneDrive or SharePoint. You will be redirected to the appropriate storage platform where your notebook is located. Once you are in OneDrive or SharePoint, you will be able to interact with your files more directly. This step is significant because it transitions you from OneNote to the storage service, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Next, find the notebook you wish to rename within OneDrive or SharePoint. Look through your files and locate the correct notebook. Depending on how many notebooks you have, this might take a moment. It's important to be patient and ensure you select the right file. Once you find it, you will be ready to proceed with renaming it. Taking your time here will save you from potential errors later. After that, right-click the notebook and select Rename. This action will allow you to edit the name of the notebook directly. A text box should appear for you to enter the new name. It's a quick and straightforward process, but make sure you type the new name carefully. This step is where you can personalize your notebook to better reflect its contents or purpose. Then enter the new name and save it. Once you've typed in your desired name, be sure to confirm the change by clicking Away or pressing Enter. This ensures that your changes are recorded. You will see a confirmation message or the new name displayed, which reassures you that everything is in order. Finally, reopen the notebook in OneNote if needed. This final step is essential to verify that the renaming has been successful. You should see the new name at the top of the notebook. If everything appears correctly, you have completed the process. Remember, this little step helps keep your notebooks organized and easy to find, enhancing your overall productivity. If you need to rename a section or page instead, you can do that too. For a section, right-click the Section tab and choose Rename. For a page, right-click or touch and hold the page title and select Rename, or simply edit the title at the top of the page. This flexibility allows you to customize your content easily. It's important to note that if your notebook is shared, renaming it may break existing sharing links. Collaborators might need to reopen or be re-invited to the notebook. Also, avoid renaming class notebooks or staff notebooks, as this can disrupt access for students and staff. Lastly, if you only want a different name displayed on one computer, some desktop versions of OneNote let you change the display name in the notebook's properties. However, remember this does not change the actual notebook name stored in OneDrive. Keeping these details in mind will help ensure a smooth experience with OneNote. Thank you for watching.